How to switch to a business account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Instagram application on your device, and as you tap on Instagram, make sure that you are logged into your account as well. After logging into your account, you just have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. As you tap on that, you just need to scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of account type and tools under your insights and tools segment. So tap on account type and tools, and here you'll be able to see the option of request to switch to professional account. So tap on switch to professional account over here, and as you tap on that, it gives you the professional tools as well and how you can turn it on. So just keep on tapping and continue, and then select what best describes you as a category. So for example, I'm going to select a digital creator over here and then tap on done. Now tap on OK, and here you can switch on display on profile, and after doing that you can just tap on next, and then you can set up your professional account over here. You can skip it for now as well, and then there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.